So I've got a HOMELITE model UT43160 pole saw. So this is a great saw, but just a little thing would make it a whole lot better. And that little thing is a shim or a guide that I made out of cheap roof aluminum to kill moss. And it basically keeps the blade on. You know, it's a soft metal. It's a simple thing, a simple fix, but without this, the blade seems to continually come off. This is not really designed to keep the blade on. It's designed to press the blade up against the adjustment pad here. Back here is where the sprocket is, and that is where it comes off, right back here. And as you can see, this area has a whole lot of room. So it's just a bad design. If this were filled in with plastic, you wouldn't need this, but without it, this blade pops off. Super easy to make, super cheap to make, and turns this pretty cheap pole saw into a cheap pole saw that works really well. This nut is an 11mm nut, and I'll show you how to cut it. So this is the old shim that I made, and like I said, it's just made out of the thin aluminum stripping that you put on roofs to fight moss. You can, you know, get a big honking pair of shears here and cut this stuff pretty easy. Or frankly, if you just grab some cheap home shears, it'll cut it. Almost cuts it better, actually. So you could outline the thing, the template, or you can, you know, basically you're going to create your own template. But it's not rocket science here. You pretty much just cut out something that will fit into this area of the saw. Something that'll fit in there, and so like this piece, that'll fit in there. It'll fit over that, that'll fit over that. It'll create a guide for the chain back here, and what you can do is just press down on this, get an idea where the screw and the sprocket shaft is. You can kind of see it there, and there. And then poke a hole. This metal is very soft, so it's pretty easy to work with. That. I may cut the other one here. There we go. So that fits on this side. This needs to be brought out a little further here. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just that on, good to go.